So yeah, summer hits us hard and it's become chiller season. So we've got chiller kit, two kits there, vehicles here. Okay, we've got a C63 supercharge with a chiller, GDSR, heads, cam, intake, exhaust, chiller, GDSR, number 2, heads, cam, chiller, clubby, blower, chiller, and back down the back here we've got another GTSR. I'll actually move this fan out of the way and see, heads, cam, chiller. So yeah, it's chiller city in here with chillers everywhere. Everyone's looking to chill their HSV this summer, and the FI chiller kit's just doing that. These two beautiful babies over here, both had the treatment, both chilled, and so is this C63. And we've got another 2 cars, and we've got another C63 outside to have a chiller as well.